Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to hard reset TP Link Deco X10. Here is the reset button, but don't rush to press it right now. Let me show you a trick that not everyone uses, but it can be super useful for you, especially if you have a lot of settings in your Deco. Imagine you've set up parental controls, security settings, some maybe advanced settings in your Deco, and after hard reset you need to set up everything from scratch. To avoid this, you can create a backup of your configuration and restore after hard reset. To do this, go to More tab and find System. It's in the bottom, so tap on System and hit Backup. Enable Auto Backup. I recommend you to do this as well. Agree and enable backup. Wait for settings to be applied, and also you can manually create backup right now. So I recommend you to create a backup right after you have a successful configuration of your settings and also after any major changes to your settings. So after hard reset, you will be suggested to restore your network configuration from a backup. And also, if you want to reset your Deco just to fix some connection issues, don't rush to do this. Try a reboot first. So go to the System menu, hit Reboot Deco, find your main unit if you have few units, and reboot it. Then confirm your action, and probably your problems will solve themselves. And to keep your system healthy, I recommend you to set up reboot schedule as well. So enable this feature and set reboot time, for example, when you're sleeping. And don't forget to hit save to save your changes. However, if you still need a hard reset, just press the button on the bottom of the device with a pin or paper clip. Just insert in this notch. Now wait until this indicator starts blinking and release the button. Now the Deco will be rebooted and reset, and you can set it up from scratch and for example restore from your backup file or set up everything like it's a new system. And that's pretty it. If this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.